The Oberon Kingdom is a gaming community that creates content for gaming and custom skins for League of Legends. Oberon stands for the King of Fairies, a character in William Shakespeare's play A Midsummer Night's Dream. The idea behind the name is that it represents a place where everything can turn magical at any moment, which leaves people mesmerized by the glory of the kingdom. A little research showed me that King Oberon is often imagined with wings, a sword, and horns that I perceived as a wreath or a natural crown sitting on top of his head. With this information, I gathered a list of features that should form the logo for this golden kingdom, and that all within the letter O. I am taking you through the process of the creation of this logo from the sketches on paper to the final design on Illustrator. This is the first video in the new Design With Me series that I am starting on this channel. I'm planning on sharing more design projects like this in the future, small ones and big ones. I am still figuring out how I can share these type of videos with you in the best way possible, so bear with the style for now, or leave your suggestions for improvement below in the comments. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And of course, subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this or my usual content in the future. I will take my leave here, so in advance, thank you for watching. This is Kanis from Studio Karah, and until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and stay inspired.